Hi guys, as I said in the last video, uh, let us start with the teardown of this ADAS mirror. This is Android 8.1 12-inch capacitive touchscreen mirror.
In 150 meters. Lane has deviated.
So you can see this is switched on right now. I will switch it off. Okay, so there is one switch button on the below side. There are two mics on the down side, so you can talk using this mic. You can use the voice calling using your phone or using your WhatsApp or any application. So all the features it has. Let us come and open that device first. Just unplug all the connections, remove all the plugs. Okay, and for opening it you need this device. Okay, so there are screws, this type of screwdrivers you need it. So although it don't have any screw, but let me check that first. No, I found there is no screw. So let me open that. Using this you can open it. So let me open this using this one. So these are plastic attached, attachment. So there are no screws. Just you need to push. Okay, keep pushing all around. After some time it will open. Okay, you can see the front side is open now. Okay, now you can see this is opened. Okay, so you can see how it is. Let me show you. You can see it is open now. So you can see how it is, how all the circuits are there. Let me turn the camera and we will focus upon the circuit. We will detail you. So you can see this is open now. Just while opening, be careful. There are thin wires. Let me try approximate. As you can see, the circuit is open now. See, this one is the camera module, probably. Yeah, so this is the camera module and all those things. So this wire is connecting to board, and this one is the main chip. Processor would be inside this, and this is the connection point. So this is a power connection, and this one is for reverse camera connection. Okay, and this you can see this portion. So this is a dual function. I mean, there are two sections. One is for SIM and another is for memory card. You can see I have can see I have attached one of the memory card and one SIM card as well. This one. Yeah. So these all are the electronics. Okay. So these are the wires connection. You can see there is one switch here, so which is just shifted left or right, or which is post. So in this case, apologies, this is post to switch off or restart, all those options. You can see the mics. So let me show you the mics. See the mics. Okay, so mics are attached, and here you can see the this one. This red and black wire are going to speaker. So this is the speaker size is good for the purpose. And one other thing you can see is the black wires. There are two black wires. This one I'm talking about. So what it does, it is connected from circuit to the body. You can see here it is connecting to body and here as well. Okay, so basically this is a fiber body. Inside that there would be some aluminum or copper or something placed inside. So this is connecting to that. So this is a Wi-Fi transmitter. Okay, Wi-Fi transmitter wire. So antenna, I would say. So these two are the RF antenna. Okay. So, and here in this part, this is a touch screen display, capacitive display, and the connections are as it is in the mobile phone. So these are just some fabric material over the wire. The wires are thin like used in the laptop. Okay, so again putting it back is not a headache. Okay, so just you need to pick this. Just you need to pick it, and you can just have to align it. After aligning, just push it a bit all around. It will automatically lock with the let me check. Okay, so you can okay. Just you need to push on the side. Okay, on the both side you need to apply a small force and it will be locked. So you can see this is fixed now. Let me switch it on, then we'll get to know if we have broken something or it is working fine. So let's connect the power cable. Okay, and post that. Yeah, we can see that Android 8.1 is getting displays. You can see the ADAS. open YouTube and okay, sound is also fine. So nothing is hampered due to tear down.
So this was all about the tear down of ADAS device. Okay, so please do not consider this promotional video. Okay, so I'm just sharing whatever I have my experience. Okay, whatever things I have bought to smarten my own car or maybe home. Okay, so step by step I will be sharing all the ideas to you. I'd be able to see the electronics in the background which is running there, and do not underestimate okay whatever things is available in the universe. Every problem has solution, and in fact there are advantages to put the aftermarket solution in your car. Is that suppose in down the line after 10 years or after 5 years your data requirement will change, right? So it will be hard to change the car for to increase the RAM itself. Okay, so because whatever electronics you have that have RAM, right? Without RAM nothing can run. Okay, so you cannot upgrade entire car again and again, but you can upgrade the accessories. Okay, so this is the real advantage. So this was just my experience. I was using this particular device since more than 2 years, and I was knowing that XUV700 is coming with ADAS. I saw the things, then I compared, then I got to know that this is a there are some scope of improvement. Nothing much to worry. Whatever car you have, you can upgrade anytime. Okay, and there are a lot of advantage additional to the any stock systems. Okay, so by this video I hope it would have been a bit of useful for you. You can consider, or you can at least refer while decision making, okay, without any huge investment. Okay, so if you like our video, please do share, subscribe our channel, share among your friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, see you, take care, bye bye.